of West Bengal, the very rich and cultural part of India. 20 students are going to put up a colorful, radiant program displaying the multifarious activities of the harvest season.
Good morning, respected Chief Guest, Ms. Madhavi Purana, respected Principal of Aurobindo International School, all teachers and my beloved friends. Today, we are going to represent a colorful program based on the Harvest Festival in Bengal from Kalpa School, Banjara Hills. Bengal is the largest producer of paddy in India because they do not use any environmentally degrading methods such as slash and burn or chuming method, which may cause soil erosion or forest fire. But they use new scientific methods, high-yielding seeds, chemical fertilizers, and sufficient irrigational facilities. Bengali farmers grow rice thrice in a year, that is, Boro, Os, and Aman. Therefore, they are the largest producers in our country, and they also follow environmental friendly methods. Bengali Harvest Festival follows Itu Puja, which is popularly known as Nau Banna. The farmer's family perform puja in front of goddess Itu with new-grown rice, fruits, milk, jaggery, and flowers. They perform the puja for the family's prosperity. We are going to perform the Nau Banna celebrations from Bengal.
Shall we Kalpa School, ki bhalo. We went right into the fields of West Bengal without any tickets. That was very colorful.